as we did using a state file, let us create a separate state for Choco. Okay, so vi. First, let me create a separate directory for Choco. kdir /srv salt and Choco. Now let us create a init.sls inside the Choco directory. vi/srv salt Choco init.sls. There I can directly install it. So let me install multiple packages here. Choco Choco underscore packages. Going to use the chocolatey.installed. chocolatey.installed installed. From names to give two different packages. One is called as, let me install Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the package name for Chrome. Installer 7-zip. Okay. So this will install two packages onto the Windows. So let me save this. So the command will be same. Salt-key to get the host name windows.training.com. windows.training.com. Apply and then choco. So it will install the state file inside the Choco directory. See, anyway, after completing the command, the minion is going to return the output and we'll be able to see it. If you want to increase the log level, you can provide that. I'll show that as the next command. In the directory var log salt, you can see the log files, what is happening and what are being done. And there is something called as a jobs. We will see it in detail. So everything will be executed as a job. You can see a job history also. I told you while explaining the master configuration file, the default retention period for job history is 24 hours. So whatever happened in the last 24 hours, you'll be able to see in the job history also. I lost the session. Okay. This is the command to get the list of active jobs. There is no active jobs there. Okay. Jobs.last run. I think the job got completed. See, this is the Windows one on the target. Okay. So this is the target type and all those things. So this is the complete list of jobs which are executed in the last 24 hours. Okay. So this is the command to get the list of jobs. So this one is all the jobs and the active jobs. To get the active jobs is the command. Currently I don't have any active jobs. Normally it will not return anything. Currently I don't have any active jobs running. Okay. The jobs one. And prior to that, let me just check the 7-zip is installed. 7-zip is installed. I think it was completed. You asked about the log level, right? I think it is -L. So -L. To increase the log level for a particular execution. So this is the one, -L. Okay, -L, I can just give a debug. So run this. So here it will just print that, okay, both the things are already installed and available. I'll be getting update like this. If I try to do it with the better log level, I'll be able to see what is happening in that. So if you see that at the end, the result is getting printed. Okay, there are two things and they are already available. So if I want to specify a log level, I can say like this, -l debug. So this will print the debug log level. So what is the configuration file it is using and what is happening that. And these are all the list of log levels available. It is completed actually. And these are all the list of log levels available. Garbage, trace, debug, profile, all those things you can just see it. So the default is warning. Just share it with you. This way you can increase the logging of it.